Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. A few years ago, I found a video on YouTube entitled "The Scale That Will Change Your Life" by Adrian Galish. Now at first I thought, yeah, right, this is going to change my life. But after less than 2 minutes into this video, my ideas about how to play the minor pentatonic scale were completely changed. In this video, I will be expanding on what I learned from Adrian's video. So let's dig in. Now the idea behind this is to play the minor pentatonic scale the way we traditionally do and to alter it, to make it sound different. Okay, so what we're going to do is start with the A minor pentatonic scale, which is here at the 5th fret. And that's how we normally play it. Now the notes we're playing are A, C, D, E, G, and back to A. And we continue that. Now what we're going to do is play the scale again, but this time we'll flat the root. In other words, instead of playing an A, we'll play A flat. So we'll play A flat, C, D, E, G, and then A flat. So let's play the entire scale all the way across the fretboard. A flat, that's fret 4 on the E string, C, fret 8, D, fret 5 on the A string, E, fret 7, G, fret 5 on the D string, A flat, fret 6 on the D string, C, fret 5 on the G string, D, fret 7, E, fret 5 on the B string, G, fret 8 on the B string, and then A flat at fret 9. Now we could play that A flat down here, and that's at fret 4 on the high E string, but I like it up here. It's just easier to reach as we're playing that scale. So we have A flat on the E string, or the low E string, fret 4, A flat on the D string, fret 6, and on the B string, fret 9. So that's. Now if we play that scale out, it sounds like this. Which is not a very pleasing sound. So we're not going to use that scale and just play it across the track that we're going to play with. We're going to just use the notes. We're going to use the A flats or add them in whenever we feel like we can make a phrase out of them. So for instance, if we were playing A minor pentatonic, we might play a phrase like this. Instead, we might play, and that's A flat, you see. So it still sounds pretty good. We might occasionally go down here to A flat at fret 4 and then slide into fret 5, which is an A. So we want to resolve on that A. We're still playing the A minor pentatonic scale, but we're altering it by adding the flat root, or the A flat. So we might go, or either something like that. So let's crank up a backing track, and what we'll do is we'll play the A minor pentatonic scale across it. Now we'll crank up that track again and play this altered scale across it and see what it sounds like. Now that we have an idea what both scales sound like across the track, we're going to just mix the notes. What we'll do is play A minor pentatonic, and every now and then we'll throw in the A flat note wherever we find it, okay? And that's going to be a fret 4, fret 6, and fret 9. And our A roots will be at fret 5, fret 7, and fret 5. That's on the low E string, the D string, and the high E string. Right now, I'm going to play a basic solo using the A minor pentatonic scale, occasionally throwing in the flatted root. I'm not going to play anything really fancy, just something to help you to get the general idea of how this works. Here we go. Now what I would like for you to do is to play the A minor pentatonic scale and practice adding that flatted root or the A flat note whenever you feel like it'll work in your phrases. Just try to have a good time improvising on the electric guitar. Well, friends, that's it for now. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.